Here we are in a 2005 Saab 9.3 with the phobic. Our ignition's already locked. We're just going to leave the key out of it. We're going to program keys. You'll need to do a pin code conversion. On AD's website, we'll show that here shortly. So it is J4LC. Okay, go. So we'll switch the ignition on. Key in here. It's in the on position. Go ahead and wait. Okay, it'll lock. Oop, remove the key. It already said to remove the key. Put it back in. Press OK. Would you like to program the next key? We're going to hit yes. Remove the key. That's our original we're pulling out. Putting the next one in and leaving it unlocked. So it's in there. We're going to hit OK. As you guys saw, we got failed, procedure failed. I went ahead and removed the pod. Hear that clicking? It's our steering lock. So, even though it said it failed, and there's our new one right there. As you can see, 2005 Saab 9.3, spare pod, phobic, however you want to say it. It's these. There's a Saab original part number. As you can see, I buy these brand new, and that's the only way. I don't buy them refurbished. And that's it. And this is common for this to happen. So now they got a brand new one.